GIS, Swiss Lifting Solutions. GIS has developed and produced electric chain hoists for more than 50 years in Switzerland and is selling them worldwide to customers in the entertainment market. The new LP hoist model is simple in its structure, powerful, and offers up to 60% more lifting capacity. LPM is the smallest version of the LP family and is able to lift an amazing 400 kilograms as D8 hoist with a dead weight of only 12 kilograms. LP was developed for the entertainment industry and designed to their requirements. In case of group lifting operations, the built-in high-power redundancy of the motors guarantees excellent synchronized hoisting. The second brake can be mounted on the standard shaft with a few steps for the D8 Plus version. For the movement of loads above people in theatres or opera houses, we offer the LP in C1 execution. For both path and load measurement, additional components and electrical parts can be easily integrated in the chain hoist. LP electric chain hoists are equipped with a 3-stage self-contained gear. The helical gearing with geometrical optimization ensures extremely quiet running. With the integrated geared limit switch, the upper and lower end position of the load hook can be set easily and precisely. The case-hardened profile steel chain with manganese phosphate provides low wearing, which increases the lifetime of the chain considerably. New components such as the skeleton load hook with stable hook locking and rubber bump offer enhanced safety. LP, the ideal electric chain hoist for mobile use. After having done the job, LP goes back into the flight case without any chain jam. A feature of the LP is the protection class IP65. It is protected against water jets and dustproof as standard, and therefore perfectly suited for outdoor use. The LP has an overall modular design with good accessibility of the wear parts. The shaft hub connections in self-centered polygonal design allow fast disassembly and assembly during maintenance. LP, the powerful electric chain hoist for the discerning professional user. Offered in versions D8, D8 Plus, C1, or according to customer-specific requirements. Light and easy handling, the rigger likes it. Quiet in operation, the spectator likes it. Reliable and long-lasting, the operating company likes it.